Hey everybody, this is Texas Danny with a real quick one for everybody. Just a real quick commentary video. It is now early Tuesday a.m. here in Texas, March the 16th, 2021. Okay, we've had some interesting things come up. Real quick, I want to bring up Rain on the Plains. Okay, Rain on the Plains. She's up in Colorado. She did a bit of a chat tonight, and I got in there late and happened to see it, and I wanted to bring up a subject with her and talk about an issue. She believes that her quantum jump or transformation or event focus, whatever, was in 1982. Okay, this is going to be the late 20th century, so there's going to be a lot of relative things there. Uh, what I'm curious about is one time she put a channel out, and of course I commented on her channel. She put a video out on does Dallas seem to be where you remember it. Now I basically remotely remember it all being the same here, but on her memory was a different, more kind of a centered area, and right almost, if I understand what she was saying, not quite exactly in the center, but not far off from exact center. Now, going by that she was affected in 1982 is what I'm thinking is this. In the prior experience that she had as someone who was on, let's say, another Earth that was even larger than the one I was on, right? They were getting progressively smaller for whatever reason, or so it seems in observations. So, what I'm thinking is in her past, when she noticed the changes that happened to her in the early 1980s. I'm wondering if when she observed the earth and she saw those things, that's how they were at that time, because in her consciousness and her awareness, she's been riding that curve like a lot of us are on in quantum jumping or reality shifts or timeline shifts, whatever. And so she recalls it being there, and she was correct about her recollections. That's because I've seen a lot of movements on Earth right now, and I'm trying to go by like an expanding ball, a reduction in size, that kind of thing. The surface area of a balloon, if you marked it, like, yeah, I don't know if you ever did that when you were a kid. You got the balloons, blew them up, maybe marked a certain spot, certain places, and that's kind of accordingly how it's going to move. So, I mean, she could have been several million years down the road on another Earth further out. We don't know. It's kind of speculation. So that was my thing for Rain on the Plains. Big quick gimme for tonight is 2 points, and I'm just going to make those quickly. Is we have a new fort south of the main area of Washington, D.C., that's located out from south going southwest. It's located as Fort Hunt. Fort Hunt has come into transformations, quantum transformations. So Fort Hunt is now in that stage where she has come up out of the realizations of the Washington, D.C. area. I do not recollect a Fort Hunt, everyone prior, and that's checking out Washington quite a bit, because Washington is in great, quick fluctuations. We also have some numerous changes with the Gulf of California, Baja California, the American Southwest. Well, where's not to be affected? But the things I've got my eye on right now very quickly is for the Los Angeles area, the Salton Sea and that kind of thing. We have that split continuing to happen with the actions that are happening in the Chihuahua area of northern Mexico and the Sonora Desert in northern Mexico, California, Nevada, Arizona, all the way out to New Mexico. Even where I'm at, we've got some plate rotation coming in for some changes. So I'd like to see about something coming up in the future, and not the far future, not the least bit, because time is of the essence, or so it seems. Texas Danny out. Bye.